Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I mentioned a couple of days ago that News Nation was going to have a new whistleblower that was going to come out and talk about what he saw, and he was going to just put it all out there. He didn't care about any repercussions or anything that may have happened, which we need more people to step up. So they put this out. The guy's name is Jake Barber, and this is kind of a photo of him, and I'm going to show you a quick image of what he saw and what he talked about, and then there's a quick video too, but the video is a couple seconds long. But he is an air or a helicopter pilot, and he was part of a retrieval program. I think he was contracted in for that, and with that he witnessed what he considers a UFO or UAP. And this interview, of course, was done by Ross. Now, he's done a lot of good stuff in the past, especially on News Nation. He's got David Gershner, a couple other people, and he's done a lot for News Nation as far as their UFO and UAP disclosure project goes. I was a little disappointed in this one that the videos that they showed, I thought was going to be a lot more with it, but that's just me. I may have missed some more stuff because I kind of just got off of that. I was tired of just hearing some of the same other stuff we always hear. But Jake here was, like I said, part of this retrieval program, and he said he was about 150 feet from what he considered a UFO. He said he had this anomalous feeling when he saw it. He felt love, he felt anxiety, etc., etc. And he's thinking these things are controlled psychologically and spiritually. And he talked a little bit about that. And he got a little emotional in his interview, which fine, it is what it is with that. I've got my own thoughts on that, which I'll talk about at another point in time. But what you're seeing here is part of the video and part of the images that News Nation revealed. They did say it was egg-shaped, so they didn't fool us on that. And this is what it is. And it's when you see it and you see this quick video, I'll come back and I'll do some comments on it, because although it's closer to some of the stuff we've seen before, it doesn't give us anything, or it didn't give me anything. But anyway, let me go ahead and play this, and I'll be back in just a minute.
UAP ever taken. This is no blurry light in a distant sky. The source of the footage putting themselves at incredible risk to record this UAP retrieval. Look at how perfectly smooth the craft is. No markings at all, and no visible means of propulsion or way to see inside. Watch how it rolls, almost graceful as it hits the ground, despite being wrapped in the ropes and canvas from the cradle as it's dropped for pickup. The UAP's final destination still unknown.
Alright, so there you have it, straight from the horse's mouth. I personally was not impressed by this. I thought we would have saw more. I thought we would have saw it from different angles, not from the helicopter with this tether where they're coming down to pick it up. You guys know what all this is, and there's more information. Put it in the comments, because I don't know that much about this, and I do depend on you guys to communicate more with me. But I tried to look at this at several different angles and all that. It is egg-shaped, and there's something covering over top of it. They did lay it down gently, as you saw in the video. But that's about all we have. There's no location or anything like that. I was looking to see if there was any markings in the ground when it moved around, maybe from the propulsion system, the anti-gravity system, pushing the grass around. We heard about crop circles and what they can do to crop circles, or how they create the crop circles, but I didn't see any of that. And looking at this close, it's highly suspect. And I'm not saying that I don't believe them. I just wanted better evidence than this. Now, of course, we're getting a lot more than what we had before, but I think in the 40s, 50s, and 60s, we got a lot more video, a lot more footage of UFOs back then than we are now. And if this is the best we can do now, we're in trouble in the next year or two. So it's just, I don't know what to say. Like I said, I looked at this at several different angles. I tried to zoom in. I'm showing you guys what I looked at. Yeah, it looks egg-shaped. It doesn't look like the Tic Tac that they saw a while back. But it's just very, very, I don't know what to say, very interesting on this. I don't see, of course, any means of propulsion or anything on here, but, and of course we wouldn't, but I know I'm using the word but a lot too, but that's the best way I can say it, just like but it should have been better, but it should have been more. We should have saw this from different angles, and this is kind of the best we got right now. So put down in the comments what you guys think about this. I am not sure what to say. I'm not sure. Maybe someone's seen something like this in the sky before. Maybe there was something else that was put out there. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think about this. There's any more information about this. I will let you guys know. I'll put out some more videos. I was gonna go live about it, but I'm gonna go ahead and go do a couple more things. But I want to hear what you guys think about this. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, guys. Please share this with your friends, and you guys stay tuned for the next video. As always, I do appreciate you guys watching.